Yes, guys. So this is our second session, batch 13. So whoever joined yesterday, okay, whoever joined yesterday and today, I welcome all you people to my 13th batch. Okay, so you can go through the first video. So I'm sharing here. You can go to that first video. Okay, 1 second, please. Let me share. So whoever missed, please go to that video. Okay. So this is our video in the first day. Yeah. Whoever missed last session, you can go through this. I'm pinging you here. Yes, you can go through this. Okay. Fine, guys. So I unmuted you, everyone. So if you have any questions, okay, you can ask me in the chat. You can type in the chat. Otherwise, at last we'll see. Okay. So 1 second. You people are able to hear me, right? Yes, guys.
Yes.
Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm muting you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So I muted you, everyone. Yes. Okay. So if you have any questions, please ask in the chat. Okay. So because there are more people, if I unmute you people, okay, then it will be disturbance to everyone. So I'm unmuted all. I unmuted everyone. Okay. So fine, guys. So we'll see today. So yeah, we are learning here what we are all learning here Informatica Power Center. So we are learning Informatica first of all. In Informatica, there are many tools. In Informatica, there are many tools. Okay. So first of all, what is this Informatica? Okay. What is there in it? We'll see. Okay. So Informatica is just a tool like Microsoft Word. Okay. Like Microsoft Word. Okay. And Microsoft Excel. Like that, it's also a tool, drag and drop tool. Okay. You don't need to write any coding. That means like you don't need to know C, C++, Java. These are all not required. Okay. Informatica is okay, easiest than any other. Informatica is easiest than any other tool. Okay. 1 second, please. Waiting, guys. Yeah. So Informatica also an easiest tool. Okay. So you can easily learn. As I said, if I have a 9th standard student, I can make him learn Informatica. So you no need to worry. Okay. So you no need to worry. So I will tell. Yeah, I'll tell everything. Okay. So I'll share everything which is shared today. Okay. So fine. So Informatica is a tool. It's a drag and drop tool. You can do by mouse. Okay. You can do by mouse Informatica. Okay. So what is the use of Informatica? What is that? We'll see all these things in some time. Okay. So Informatica is a tool which is used for ETL. It's an ETL tool. Informatica current version is 10.5.0. But in Office, we are using 10.2.0. There are different versions like Informatica 1, 2, 3. So almost from first session it has started. Now it is in first version it is started. Now it is in 10th version. Okay, we are all using Informatica 10.2.0. Okay. Now, what is Informatica? Okay, Informatica is an ETL tool. Okay, what is ETL? What is ETL? We'll see in some time. What is ETL? We'll see in some time. Okay, so ETL means extract, transform, and load. Okay, that means get the data from somewhere and modify the data and load that and send the data. That is what ETL means. Okay, so I will discuss what is ETL and all later. We'll see first what is Informatica. We'll see first what is Informatica. Okay, and where we will use Informatica. So what exactly we will do by using Informatica, we'll see. Okay, yeah, that is what we see now. Okay, now what we'll do. Okay, so as I said, Informatica is an ETL tool. Okay, that is, it's also a software tool. This ETL tool is used in almost all companies, all big companies, few small companies also use it. Okay. So it's on data. It's on data. What is data? What are those? We'll see later. Okay. So now Informatica is a data warehousing tool. Okay. So first, what is Informatica? Okay. What is ETL? We'll see all those things now. Okay. Actually, Informatica is also a software company. It's also a product-based company, which is located in US. It is in Hyderabad. It is in Bangalore, in different locations. Okay. Informatica is having several tools. Now, before going to Informatica, why we need to learn Informatica? Okay. Now, in our real-time world, okay, everything is revolving into data. Okay. So we are all seeing in real time in your real life data. What is data? Data means anything you can store. Okay, that means suppose if you go to medical shop, okay, they will once you order all those things, all the medicals, okay, they will give a bill. Okay, and whatever the medicine you are taking, okay, they are entering in their system. Whatever they entering in the system, that is called data. Okay. So now, okay, so everywhere. So if you go to hospital data. If you go to college data. If you go to data means it's kind of information. I can say information. Okay. So information of several things. Okay. Information of several things. So college data, movies data, insurance data, banking data. Okay. Groceries data. These are all called. This is called data. Okay. Now, whatever they enter into their laptop or desktop, that is called data. Simple. Okay. That is called data. Now, where this data will store? Where this data will store? Okay. The question is, they are entering in the system. They are entering in the system. Where it will store? Where the data will store? Where the data will store? Data will store in database. Data will store in database. Okay. So whatever they are entering in the system, whatever they are pressing on the keyboard, that is all of data. If you go to Big Bazaar, it is a grocery data. If you go to ICICI Bank, it is a banking data. If you go to any insurance company, that is called insurance data. If you go to any other movie, that is called movies data. Nowadays, everybody will be, if you go to restaurant, it be restaurant data. Everybody will be having a desktop. If you go to any shop, any business, okay, they will be having a desktop or a laptop, and they will be entering your details. That means whatever you are purchasing, and they are printing out. Once they print, it will save in backend. Okay, in their system, it will save. The data will save. The data will save under database. How the data will save? Data will save under database. Okay. So database, okay, data can be stored in two forms. Data can be stored in two forms. What are those two forms? Data can be stored in two forms. What are those two forms? One is database, another one is file. A data can be stored in a database, or a data can be stored in a file. If I am going fast, please text me that, go slow. I can go slow. I hope you are able to understand what I'm saying. Correct? You are able to understand what I'm saying? Am I going fast?
No, sir.
No? You are
No,
able to
sir.
understand?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, fine. So if I go fast, so let me know. You please text me. Okay. So just I muted everyone. So you, whatever your questions, you text me, I will answer. Okay. So now you know what is data. Data can be stored in two forms. One is database or a file. First, we will discuss about database. What is database? First, we will discuss about database. Please don't draw anything on the screen. Okay, 1 second, please. Let me disable. Give me a second. Let me disable. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Fine. If you have any questions, you can ask in the chat. Okay. So no need to take any notes. I will send this notepad to you. I will send this PPT to you. Okay, everything I will send. You no need to do anything. Just listen and understand carefully. That's it. As I told again, I am saying, okay. So in the last session, again I said, today's session also, I am saying again, Okay, Informatica means there should be three things in if you want to learn Informatica, you need to do three things. One is listen carefully. Number one, listen. If you listen carefully, 50% of the problems will solve. If you don't listen carefully, nobody can help. Okay, listen carefully. Number two, okay, understand whatever I'm saying. Number three, practice whatever I say. Practice whatever I say. Okay, so listen carefully, understand, and practice. Okay, so practice, practice, practice. Fourth point is practice. Fifth point also practice. Sixth point also practice. Okay, so listen carefully, understand, practice. Okay, so this is how the pins. You take always join session in desktop or laptop. Don't join in mobile. And also take a calm room. Don't sit in your hall or living room or wherever there is so much of noise. Okay, and also don't talk with phone while you are listening the class. Okay, while you are listening the class, okay, don't talk with anyone. Okay, to put your mobile in silent and just listen. Okay, that's how you should be. Okay, now, so okay, so what is it? So data is stored in the form of database or a file. Now, okay, what is a database? Database is a collection of data. Collection of data in the form of tables. Database contains tables. Okay, database is a collection of data in the form of tables. What is a table? What is a table? Table is collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Collection of data in the form of rows and columns. That is called a database. Okay, table. Database is a collection of tables. Okay, table is collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Rows and columns means, okay, like this it looks like. How the rows and columns look like this. Okay, like this it will look like rows and columns. So the horizontal lines is called, okay, if I show you like this, the horizontal line is called a row, the vertical line is called a column. The vertical line is called a column. I will tell what is the schema. I will tell. Please wait. Okay. So now this is called a column. This is called a row. The horizontal column is called row or record. This is called row or record. Okay, row or record. The vertical columns are called columns. These are called columns or fields or attributes or attributes. So these things are called columns, fields, or attributes, and these horizontal things are called rows. So how many rows we have? How many rows we have? We have, one second. We have, one second, please. We have here it is showing 8, but the first row is called column header. The first line is called column header or a column name. Column header or a column name. Okay. So what are the rows? How many rows are there? There are almost 7 rows. There are 7 rows in the table. There are 7 rows in the table. Okay. There are 7 rows in this table, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns in the. There are 7 rows or records and 6 columns in this table. Okay, this is called table data. Okay, this is called column. This is called row. Okay, first row is called a column names or column header. Okay, so there are total 7 rows in our table. This is called table. Okay, so now this database. Okay, database is a collection of rows and columns. Database is a collection of tables. Table is collection of rows and columns. That means in database, multiple tables will be there. Suppose if you go to college, maybe student table. Suppose college is a college. Okay, college data. If you take college data, so they are having a database, college database. In the college database, what they have? They have a student table, Okay, they have a college table. Okay, they have a lecturer's table. Okay, student table contains all the student information. College table contains all the college information. Lecturer table contains all the lecturer information. Okay, so like that, or faculty. Okay, faculty. Okay, so faculty information. Okay, maintenance table. Okay, maintenance means so maybe rent of the or whatever the cost of the building, all those things. Okay, so these are different tables exist in different database. Suppose if you go to banking database, if you go to any bank, in bank, what are the tables we will be having? Okay, customer table, customer table, or a credit card table, customer table, credit card table, all those things will be there. Okay, 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Yeah. So customer database, credit card database, okay, customer table. These are tables. Okay, student table, college table, okay, faculty table, maintenance table. Okay, in banking database we have customer table, credit card table or debit card table. Okay, debit card table. Okay, and loans table. Okay, like this different tables. I'm just giving an example. Like this different tables will exist in different database. So a table is a collection of rows and columns. A table is a collection of rows and columns. Okay, you are saying table is a collection of rows and columns, and we have different database. Database contains tables. Tables contains rows and columns. Okay, so database contains tables. Tables contains rows and columns. Okay, fine. Now, where this data will store in the system, where this database is stored in the system, in which the pins where it will store. Okay, so to store the data or tables, to store the tables, okay, we should have a database technology. Okay, we have database technologies. Okay, the pins, if you see, if I want to save this notepad, Windows is required. Okay, so Windows is required. Same way, to store this data or database, where it will store, we have different database technologies available in market. What are those? Oracle, SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL. Okay, I can say MySQL. Okay, and Teradata. Okay, different. There are many data. Can you give anybody example of databases, please? Can you write any examples of databases? Okay, so there is Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata. Okay, there are many database tables. There are many database technologies. Okay, Sybase, yes. Okay, Sybase. Okay, MongoDB. Yeah. So MongoDB, then PostgreSQL. Okay, DB2. Yes, DB2, Greenplum. Yeah, DB2, Greenplum. Okay, so these are all called different databases. What it will do, what these databases will do, they will give some space in the system to store these tables. They will give some space in the system, some space in the server. Okay, so by using any one of these database technology, the databases or the tables will store. Okay, so that is about database technologies. The majorly used database nowadays on very old thing from 25-30 years onwards, we are using Oracle as a database. Okay, in your real time, in my project, still I am using Oracle as a database. In my project, still I am using Oracle as a database. So if you learn Oracle correctly, then these things will be easy to you. Okay, because almost all queries we will use same queries, but little changes, little changes will be there. If you are very good at Oracle, you can work on SQL Server, you can work on MySQL, you can work on Teradata, you can work on Sybase also. Okay, so that's how it will be. Okay, so in our training, we will learn Oracle. In our training, what and all we will learn in our training? Oracle, SQL basics. Okay, SQL basics we will learn. We will learn Informatica, basics to advanced concepts. We'll learn Unix. These are the things. These are the things we will learn in our training. Okay, and I'll give the resume, interview questions, everything I'll give. You don't need to worry. Okay. Okay. So what you need to do? What is that now? So we should have a database server or a database technology to store these tables. Okay. While you are installing Informatica, you could have installed Oracle first. What we have installed? You could have installed in your system Oracle. Okay, then you could have installed Oracle SQL Developer. Oracle SQL Developer. Yes or no, please? First you will install Oracle. Then you will install SQL Developer. Then you will install SQL Developer. Okay. So now suppose this Oracle can be installed, suppose in real time. Suppose if you go to the bank, ICICI Bank, you went to ICICI Bank. Okay. There, what you will do? Suppose you go to the cashier and he will give 10,000 rupees to deposit in our account. What cashier will do? Cashier will open a form in the system and he will enter your customer ID. Whatever you have given in the slip, when he enter your customer ID, all your details will be displayed. There in the credit text box, he will write 10,000 and he will click on save. When he click on save, in backend, it will suppose if they are using Oracle database, if they are using in ICICI Bank, think that they are using Oracle database. In ICICI Bank, you think that they are using Oracle database. Okay. So what they will do? Okay, Oracle database if they are using. When you give 10,000, okay, when you click on save, it will go on save under Oracle database. That is Oracle database that may be present in their system. Okay. There, the cashier system, in the cashier system, the Oracle may be installed. Okay, or there will be a server. There will be a server for whole ICICI Bank. There will be a Oracle server. Okay, Oracle server installed in some location like Delhi or Mumbai, whatever, in a hub. From there, by using SQL Developer, we can access it. Okay, so if you go to Big Bazaar, if you go to ICICI Bank, if you go to anywhere, if they are entering your details, means when they click on save or print, it will go and save in the database server. What is that? Database server. That database server will be installed in their system or any other way, any other system, but they will access that system. Okay. So this is called Oracle. So to store the tables, we should have at least one database server. Okay. So maybe in our training, we will use database server. In real time, in my project, still we are using Oracle database server. So you always should be clear about Oracle first. Okay. You should be clear. Is my voice breaking, guys? Is my voice breaking? No, right? Okay. If my voice is breaking, that is your problem. It's not my problem, please. Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So yeah. So that means now I said what? Suppose if I install Oracle server in my system or server. So suppose you went to ICICI Bank, you given 10,000 rupees. Okay, you given 10,000 rupees to the cashier. When he enter the details, it will save under database in the format of table. In the format of table like this, it will. So like this, cust ID, cust name, location, city, state, country. Okay, debit or credit. It will be like this. Credit. Okay, 10,000 rupees. Like this, it will store in the database. It will store in the database. Okay, that is called data or database. Okay. Now, where this ETL has come from, where this Informatica has come from, what is the use of this Informatica or what is the use of ETL? Okay. See, suppose I'll give an example. Okay, to you. Okay, I will give an example to you. Okay, we have a big bazaar. We have big bazaar. Big bazaar is a grocery. It's a retail business. Big bazaar is a retail business. Big bazaar is a retail business. Okay, understand the basics first, then you can understand the advanced things very easily. Big Bazaar is a retail business. Okay. In a business, okay, suppose in Big Bazaar, there is a branch in Bangalore. In Bangalore, there is a branch called Indranagar. Indranagar. Okay. There is a branch called Indranagar. Okay. Now, in Indranagar branch, okay, first of all, in business, what they will do, they will see profit or loss. Whether I got, what are the sales today? What did I get the profit today? Or did I get the loss today? They will check. How they will check? Okay. Suppose this is Indranagar branch, one branch in, suppose in Bangalore, one branch is there. We'll take one branch. There are many branches in Bangalore, but take one branch. Okay. In this Big Bazaar, okay, suppose 9 o'clock, if it is open at 10 o'clock to 9:30, maybe 300 people entered into Big Bazaar. 300 people entered into Big Bazaar. What they will do? They will purchase the groceries and they will pay to the cashier. What cashier will do? Cashier will enter in the system. Once he enter and once he click on print, he will give the print to you. Same way, it will go and save in the, suppose, Oracle database in the different tables. It is saved. Okay. At 9:30, what these people will do? They will generate the report. They will generate the report. What kind of report? They will generate sales report. So, is my voice is okay, guys? Is my voice is okay? Is it clear? Any disturbances, please? Okay, yeah. So, ultimately, they want sales report means what? How many people? Suppose these 300 people made 300 transactions. Okay, and these transactions value is 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh rupees money they got it either in the form of cash or in the form of UPI or in the form of credit card, whatever they got 10 lakh rupees. Okay, fine. Also, they will see the expenses for one day. Suppose this is 1st of January. On 1st of January 2022, I got the sales 10 lakh rupees from morning to evening. 10 lakh rupees sales I got it. Then they will see expenses also. Expenses of Big Bazaar. What are the expenses of Big Bazaar? Rent of the building. Okay. Salaries per day for employees. And the goods whichever you are, they will be purchasing, right? Suppose you are taking a soap in Big Bazaar. The soap has came from the manufacturer. What is the price of that? Goods, maintenance, all these things. Okay. Maintenance. All these things are expenses. Suppose expenses are 7 lakh on that day. Expenses are 7 lakh. Now the profit is sales minus expense. Profit is sales minus expense. If the sales minus expense is a positive value, that is called profit. Suppose sales is 7 lakh, expense is 10 lakh, then loss. Okay. Now, ultimately, what they will do, Big Bazaar is a business. Ultimately, what they wanted profit or loss. How they will calculate? They will generate the reports. What report? Sales report, expenses report, profit report, loss report. This is just one branch. Indranagar branch profit is 3 lakh. Now, like in Bangalore, there are 10 branches. There are 10 Big Bazaar branches. They wanted branch-wise. They wanted branch-wise reports. What they wanted? Branch-wise reports. Like Indranagar, what is the sales report, profit report, loss report? In Jayanagar, JP Nagar, okay, in MG Road, okay, in Indranagar, like that, they wanted branch-wise reports. Okay, like in Bangalore, we have different cities. In Bangalore, Big Bazaar is there, Chennai Big Bazaar is there, Mumbai Big Bazaar is there, Hyderabad Big Bazaar is there, okay, Pune Big Bazaar is there. Now they wanted statewide report. Statewide report. That means first, what is the sales for? What is the sales in Bangalore? What is sales in Indranagar branch? Indranagar branch. Okay. Like this, they will get all the sales of all the branches in the Bangalore. So they wanted total Bangalore. Okay, total Bangalore. What is the sales report? What is the sales report? Total Bangalore. Okay. Like that, total Karnataka, maybe, or South Zone. Okay. So South Zone, and they wanted statewide report and zonal wise report. Zonal wise report they want. And also they want countrywide report. Countrywide report. So in total India, there are 40 Big Bazaar branches or 50 Big Bazaar branches. In these 50 Big Bazaar branches, consolidate all the sales profit. So total profit per day on 1st of January, I got 2 crore profit or 1 crore profit or 50 lakh profit or 2 crore profit. I got it throughout India. Throughout India, I got who will see this? Big Bazaar CEO or Big Bazaar, okay, president or vice president, whoever invested in the Big Bazaar, they will see. Whoever start the business, okay, they will see. Okay, is my voice is clear, please? Is my voice is clear, guys? Please text me. Yes, okay, fine. So that is how it will be. So they will generate the reports. What reports? Bangalore wise, okay, first branch wise, then next city wise, branch wise, then city wise report, citywide report, then statewide report, then zonal wise report, then countrywide report, so that they will understand, okay, this is what today. Like that, they want daily reports, they want daily reports, they want weekly reports, they want monthly reports, they want quarterly reports, okay, and they want yearly reports, okay. So today's profit is 2 crore in India. What is the yearly profit for me? Throughout India, in all Big Bazaar branches, last financial year, I got 250 crore profit. 250 crore profit I got. So this is what it will be doing in any business. In any business, it will do. Now, okay, business is okay. Now, okay, based on these reports, they will take the better business decisions. What is the use of these things? To make the better business decision. Business decision. To make the better business decision, okay, they will generate the report. See, suppose Indranagar, every month I am getting 10 lakh loss. Every month I am getting 10 lakh loss. The loss report throughout in India, Indranagar branch is getting 10 lakh loss every month. Then what they will do? They will take a decision. They will take a decision. What kind of decision they will take? 1 second, please. One second, please. Yeah. So what kind of decision they will take? That means they will take a better business decision. I want to continue Indranagar branch, or I don't want to disconnect or close the Indranagar branch and put it in somewhere. So now, who will generate these reports? Who will generate these reports? These kind of reports, who will generate? Who will generate the reports? Okay. As I told, okay, suppose in cashier is there. There is a cashier in Indranagar branch. What he will do? He will take the money from customers and he will enter all the groceries and he will click on print. When you click on print, it will go on save under table. That kind of a table or a database is called OLTP, online transaction processing. Daily transactions will be stored under OLTP tables. Daily transactions will be stored under OLTP tables. Okay. So whatever if you go to ICICI Bank, the cashier will be there. Cashier will take the cash from you and he will enter in the system. That data, whatever he entered in the system, that data will go and save under a table. That kind of a table is called OLTP table. The transactions, daily things, day-to-day transactions will be stored under a table called OLTP table. That is called a OLTP table, online transactional processing. Okay, online transaction processing. The transaction details will be there in the OLTP tables. Okay, now we are all ETL developers. Who are we? ETL developers or Informatica developers. ETL or Informatica developers. What we will do is, this is called raw data. Whatever the data, whatever the transactional data, whatever the transactional day-to-day transactional data, whatever the transactional Okay, 1 second, please. Whatever the transactional data they will store, okay, that is called a raw data. This is called raw data. What we will do, okay, this raw data will be stored under OLTP table. So what we will do, we will extract. E means what is that? ETL. ETL. Extract the data from OLTP table. Extract the data, okay, extract the data from OLTP table, transform it. Transform means modify the data and load to the destination tables, load to the target tables or OLAP tables. OLAP tables. So there are two types of tables. There are two types of database. That means two types of tables are there. OLTP tables, OLAP tables. OLTP means online transaction processing. OLAP means online analytical processing. OLTP means online transaction processing. OLAP means online analytical processing. So whoever the cashiers entering the data, that is called raw data or the transactional data, what we will do, we will extract. Extract means what? Read the data or take the data. Take the data, extract or read or take the data from OLTP table. This OLTP table also called a source table. What is that called? Source table, and modify the data in it based on the business requirement. My business wanted total sales. My business wanted total profit. Like that, we will transform the data and we will load it to OLAP tables. OLAP tables means online analytical processing data. We already analyzed it. We extracted, transformed, and loaded. Now these tables are called OLTP tables are called source tables. OLAP tables are called target tables. Okay. So these OLAP tables are ready to generate the reports. So the data is there. I got the raw data. I have took the data. And I transformed based on my business requirement, and I have loaded to target table. Now from target table, reporting people will generate the reports. This is called ETL process. We will extract the data from OLTP tables. We extract means read or take the data from OLTP table and transform it based on the business rules or business requirements and load it to OLTP. Load means load or write or put. Load or write the data or put the data to the OLAP tables. This kind of OLAP tables are called targets. So here is just a transactional data. This is analytical data. This is ready for analysis. Analysis already completed. It is ready for generating the reports. So what we will do just source to target only. This is E, this is T, this is T, this is L. Extract, transform, and load. Extract the data from any database, any table, any file. Okay, that should be a OLTP table or a source table. Transform it or modify it and load it to target table. This is our work. If you go to a office, you need to do this thing. What you need to do? ETL by using Informatica tool. ETL by using Informatica tool you will do. Once you loaded the data to target, reporting people will be there. Like they are working on Power BI, they are working on Tableau or Cognos or MicroStrategy, okay, or OBIE. They will generate the reports. So at 9:30, Big Bazaar CEO wants a report, daily reports, monthly daily reports on all branches, on each branch to his mobile. He will not be having any time to go and see who are doing what. What he wanted, just I want profit or loss. That's it. What is the sales today? What is the profit I got? Or what is the loss I got? That's what I wanted. Okay. So we will do this kind of reports to them. what they will do, Big Bazaar, suppose Accenture is a software company. Big Bazaar will give the project to Accenture that I need these kind of business reports. I need branch-wise reports. I need city-wise. I need zonal-wise, country-wise, daily-wise, monthly-wise, weekly-wise, quarterly-wise, and yearly-wise. This I wanted based on my huge data. So suppose if I see ICICI is a bank, in Bangalore only there are 50 branches will be there. Like that in country, there may be 10,000 branches will be there. In each branch, if it is at least 100 transactions, that means 1 lakh to 10 lakh transactions will be there. 10 lakh records will be there on the daily basis. So we will take the data and we will modify the data, extract the data, transform the data, and load the data to the target table. On top of that target table, reporting people will generate the reports. This is called ETL process. This is called. So why ETL tools are popular? Because everywhere data is there. We need to handle the data. Everything is a business now. If you go to ICICI Bank, it's a business. If you go to any, nowadays temples are also a business. If you go to a temple, that is also a business. Temples also, if you go to ISKCON, it's a pure. If you go to ISKCON temple, it's a pure corporate business. Okay, everything is a business. All the businesses will accept the customers and they want to maintain the data of the customers, and also they want to see the reports. They want to see the reports to grow their business, to take the business decisions. They will use ETL tools. They will use ETL tools. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1 second, please. That is why ETL tool is popular. Simply it is not popular, no. Simply nothing is popular. Why ETL tool is popular is businesses are growing and customers are growing, data also growing, so that they wanted to handle the data. They wanted to generate the reports. That's why they will handle all this. You need to handle all these things. That's why ETL is this much. So now, by using Informatica, okay, we will do ETL. 1 second, please. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. So by using Informatica, we will implement this ETL. Okay. So, and also, okay. So this OLAP also called data warehouse. This OLAP tables will be present in data warehouse. What is this data warehouse and all? We'll see later. Okay. Now, did you understand why we need to use ETL? Did you understand clearly, please? Did you understand, please? We cannot process the OLTP data because we need to modify many things in between. We need to based on the business decisions. Okay. So you are saying in SQL we can change. But suppose I have two source tables. Suppose what is told? We need to what? Ultimately, we need to do. See, please. I'll show you here. Okay, see. Yeah. So, see, please. Okay. Suppose this is my source. Okay, this may be from this is one table. This is table 1. This may be from Oracle database. This may be from SQL Server database. SQL Server database. This may be from, this is a file. Now what we can do by using Informatica, we will bring all these tables into one place. All these tables into one place. Okay. And then we will load into target. We will load into targets. Okay. This cannot be possible by using just a Oracle. Okay. This is OLAP. What are these OLTP tables? These are called OLTP tables. OLTP tables. Or these are called source tables. Okay. OLTP tables are source tables. Okay. And we will extract the data. Extract. In Informatica, what we will do? We will transform the data. By using Informatica, we will transform the data. Okay. And these are also again tables or files. Okay. These are called OLAP tables or target tables or data warehousing tables or data warehousing tables. And we'll load it to, suppose there are two tables. Okay. We'll bring everything to Informatica. Okay. And we'll load it to, okay. So, okay. In the table of OLTP, whatever we get the source data, that is called OLTP. Okay. We will load it to different tables to target. So from any database, we will get the data into this. This is Informatica actually. This is Informatica. We will bring everything to Informatica and we will load to target tables. This is Informatica. It is an ETL tool. Informatica is a ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. Okay. I will tell what is the difference between SQL Server. We'll see later. Now, did you understand what is ETL, please? Why we will use ETL? Did you understand what is ETL? Everybody guys understood clearly? Non-IT people, please. Okay. Extract, transform and load from these tables. They will generate from these tables, what they will do? They will generate the reports. They will generate who? Reporting people will. They will generate the reports. Reporting people will generate the reports. Okay. That is called ETL. That is called ETL process. Okay. Now by using Informatica, by using Informatica, okay, we'll see. Okay. So what is by using Informatica, why we need to modify the data means, yeah, maybe suppose I have 10 branches. I want to take all into one place and I wanted to club them and I wanted to load, I wanted to give the report. No, that is also called modification. Modify the data. There are n number of, I need to take sum of salaries of all employees in my all branches. Okay. So there are 10 tables are there. From there, I will take all the salaries and I will give the consolidated salary. Like that, there are many modifications in between. So that modifications we will do by using a ETL tool. Okay. So why you need to modify the data? To generate the reports. They want the business reports. If you want a business report, you need to modify the data. Okay. So modify the based on your client will tell what to modify the data. Based on that, you need to modify the data and we need to generate the reports. And we need to generate the report. I just told. Okay. What is the real-time example I told? A Big Bazaar example I told. Okay. You should be listen carefully, please. That's what I'm saying. If you don't listen, you will not understand. Okay. I already told what is the real-time example of a business, Big Bazaar business. I already told this. Okay. Yeah. That is called this one. Okay. Now, okay. Now we'll discuss about Informatica. Now, did you understand ETL, please, everyone? Did you understand ETL? OLTP also called it. All tables are stored in database. Tables all stored in database. Every table will store under a database. Okay. Every table will be having a database. Okay. So now we'll go to what are the different types of ETL tools we have. So now ETL is a concept. By using ETL, so ETL is a concept. By using Informatica, we will implement ETL. We will implement ETL. By using Informatica, we will implement ETL. Okay. Now, okay. So now what is Informatica? Informatica is also a software company. Okay. So before that, ETL tools like Informatica. So as I told, ETL is a concept. Like I told, what I told, ETL is a concept. Okay. So, ETL is a concept. Okay. By using a ETL tool called Informatica, by using a tool called Informatica, we will implement ETL same way. So I'm giving an example. Android is an operating system. Android is an operating system. Android can be used in Samsung mobile. Android can be used in OnePlus mobile. Okay. Android can be used in MI mobile or Sony mobile. Okay. We are using Android in different phones. Okay. Same way, ETL is a concept. We can implement ETL by using Informatica. It's a tool, Informatica tool, or a talent tool. Talent also ETL tool, or Snow, or what else? What are the ETL tools are there? We have data stage. We have data stage. That's also an ETL tool. Okay, data stage. Nowadays, Snowflake. Snowflake also is an ETL tool. Okay, SSIS. SSIS also an ETL tool. Ab initio. Okay, ab initio. These are all different ETL tools. So, like different small changes will be there. Same here also, different tools, but ultimately work is same. Based on your client requirement, based on your client comfortable, okay, they will use either Informatica or a talent or a data stage. Okay, so anything they can use. Okay, so same way, like we are using Samsung. Okay, like we are using Samsung, we are using Android in all mobiles. We will use ETL in all ETL tools. So one is enough. Anyone. If you're using one phone, you can speak in the phone. If you're having a Samsung phone, whatever you can do in OnePlus, you can do in Samsung also. Not require two phones. To do the same job, I don't require two phones. Same way to process it. So anyone, if you learn, that is more than enough. But Informatica is an older tool and it's a powerful tool. Till now, it is not lost its importance. It is having huge importance till now also. That's why we are learning ETL Informatica. We are learning ETL Informatica. Okay, these are the different ETL tools in market, like different mobiles in market. These are the different ETL tools in market. Informatica, ODI, Talent, Pentaho, SAP BO, Business Objects, SSIS, Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, IBM Data Stage, Plenty, Ab initio. Like that, we have different ETL tools. Different ETL tools we have. Okay. Now we will learn about Informatica. Informatica is a software company or a product-based company which is located in US, America. Okay. So, and also the branches are there in India also. The branches are there in India also. Okay. So now, so Informatica is having different tools now. Informatica is having Informatica Power Center, which we are learning. Informatica is having Informatica Cloud. It is having Informatica ILM. It is having big data management. It is MDM, and we have TDM, we have data quality. There are many Informatica tools. These are all implemented by Informatica company. Now we are learning. The first thing they implemented is Informatica Power Center. Okay. When I was working in HCL 11 years back, from 2011, I started working. From 2011, I started working on Informatica. On 2011 itself, I know the people who are having 10 years experience in Informatica. That means almost from 20-25 years, Informatica is exist and it did not lost its importance. It is like a fresh tool. It is competing with other tools and it is growing up. Okay, that's why these many jobs are there for Informatica. To learn any other tools, Informatica Power Center is basics. If you want to learn Informatica Cloud, you should learn Informatica Power Center, which we are learning now. If you want to learn Informatica ILM, we need to learn Informatica Power Center. TDM, MDM, data quality, or big data management, everything are related to Power Center. If you know Informatica Power Center, all other two Informatica tools will be easy. Okay, that is about Informatica tool. Next, as I told you, ETL. Did you see the ETL? ETL process, extract the data from source, transform the data and load it to target or destination or data warehouse. See, extract the data from anything, extract the data from various sources, okay, or various source databases and transform it. Transform means cleaning the data, delete the duplications, converting the data, summarization of the data, aggregation of the data, integration of the data, and load it to the data warehouse and generate the reports based on that. This is called ETL process. This is called ETL process. Are you clear, please? What is ETL process? What is Informatica? We are learning Informatica Power Center now. Okay, we are learning Informatica Power Center. As of now, Power Center is more than enough. I will give some cloud basics also. Okay, so if you learn Informatica Power Center, Unix, Oracle, so you can easily get a job. Okay, so you no need to think about anything. Just think about doing hard work. Just think about doing hard work. Okay. So now, when you go to a software company, why? See, please. When you go to the software company, okay, who and all? If you go to a project, if you go to a project, who and all will be there in the project? Who and all will be there in the project is normally when you go to any project in any company. Suppose you joined as a, so we are all what? We are all ETL developers. You are learning a ETL development course here. We are all ETL developers or Informatica developers. Informatica developers. We are all ETL developers or Informatica developers. Okay. So actually there is a technology called business intelligence. Business intelligence. Business intelligence having two types. Business intelligence having actually there are three types: data warehousing, data mining. Okay, there are so many things: data warehousing, data mining, data visualization, data mining, data visualization. There are many things are there. Okay, so all those things not required. In the business intelligence, we are all data warehouse developer. Data warehouse developer. Under data warehouse, we will be having ETL tools, and we'll be having reporting tools, and we'll be having reporting tools. So how can I explain is, this is business intelligence. This is business intelligence. Okay. It's a just a technology name, some concept name. BI, business intelligence. Business intelligence, also called BI. Okay. BI, also called BI. This is BI. Under BI, we have three things. Under BI, we have three things. Number one, two, three things. What are those? One is data warehouse, and another one is data mining, and another one is data visualization. Data visualization. There is something like this. Under data warehouse, so these are business intelligence. Okay. Okay. Now, under data warehouse, again, we have two things. Okay. That is called what? Again, we have two things. Okay. What are those is? One is ETL and another one is report. ETL and report. We have ETL tools and reporting tools and reporting tools and reporting tools. Okay. This is how a business. So we are all business intelligence developers, or data warehousing developers, or ETL developers, or Informatica developers, or Informatica developers. What we do in the data mining, not required. We are not learning data mining here. Okay. We are learning what is data warehousing here. So we learn about data warehousing now. Okay. Now, okay. So we are all what? ETL developers, or Informatica developers, or data warehousing developers. If you go to any project, there will be one project manager will be there, one team lead will be there, suppose, and 4 to 5, there are 5 ETL developers, or based on the project size, okay, there will be 4 or 5 ETL developers, 2 ETL testers will be there, 2 people will be reporting people will be there, report generation people, and one people will be there, database administrator or data architect. So that is why always ETL developers will be having more options, more growth, more openings in a project. Always more ETL developers will be there, less reporting developers, less ETL tester, or less team leads, less project managers will be there. Always developers will be, developers are more people. That's why these many openings for developers. Okay. So this is about what is ETL, what is OLTP, what is OLAP, what is OLAP, and then what is this one, what is Informatica. Under Informatica, what are different ETL tools, and under ETL tools we have Informatica we are learning. Under Informatica we have different Informatica tools, but we are learning a basic tool called Informatica Power Center. Informatica Power Center. And to learn any other tool called cloud or whatever, MDM, we require Informatica Power Center. Without Power Center, it is difficult to learn. It is difficult to learn. Okay. Yes, please. Did you understand everybody, please? Did you understand everybody, please? So non-IT guys, so I hope my session is very clear to you. Okay, I hope you people are understanding my sessions. Okay, so because why I am not giving the access to unmute is because it's a disturbance to everyone. Okay, because we have more people. See, now actually almost 350 people are there. Okay, almost 400 people are there in the morning batch, evening batch, 450 people are there in the morning batch. And in evening batch, we have only 200 people are there. Okay, we have 200 people are there. If I unmute you, then everybody will speak at a time and nobody can understand anything. Okay, that's why I'm not unmuting. Whatever the questions you have, you can write in the chat. I will immediately reply so that it will be a live session for you. Okay, so I hope you everybody understood the concept. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll come back. Please be on mute. Give me 1 second, please. Yes, guys. Okay. It is required to know reporting tools, not required. If you know already a reporting tool, it's well and good. Not required to learn. Not required to learn ETL. What is that reporting tools? Okay. So ETL, it's an extract, transform, and load. Extract the data, read the data from the source or a source database and modify it and load it to target. Extract the data from OLTP, transform it and load it to target. That is called ETL. That is called ETL. Okay. Where we will use OLAP, that is also a database. Like Oracle, in the OLTP also we are using a database. OLAP also we are using a database only. Another database, the tables will store. That tables are called, we will call it as OLAP tables or target tables. That's it. Okay. So Informatica is not an open source tool. Informatica is a commercial tool, but they have given some freeware to us. That's it. Okay. Informatica is a commercial tool. When you go to office, they should purchase. You know to purchase. They should purchase Informatica tool. Okay. So this is about business intelligence sheet. This is about business intelligence sheet. Okay. Yeah. So business intelligence is divided into 3 parts: data processing, data mining, and data visualization. And data processing is several divided into ETL tools and reporting tools. ETL tools and reporting tools. Okay. So 1 second, please. Yeah. So ETL testers means they will do the testing. Whatever you do the development, whatever you have loaded the data into tables, they will do the testing. That's it. In ETL testers. Okay. What is the short form is that's ETL testers on extract ETL testers. We are ETL developers, they are ETL testers. What roles Unix plays, I will tell. What roles Unix plays in Informatica, I will tell. Okay. BI and Power BI not same. Power BI is a tool from Microsoft. But BI is a business intelligence is a concept. It is not a tool. But Power BI is a reporting tool. Okay. I want to know the OLAP data in many forms like Excel format, Oracle, or a transform with the. Normally, OLAP will be in the table format only. OLAP will be 90% table formats only, not like any other formats. It will be OLAP data will be table formats only always. Okay. Where we will keep OLAP, they will be having another database server. They are also, see, they will only maintain everything. That means otherwise we will give, suppose OLTP Oracle database is there. In the same database, OLAP tables will be also there. The data will be different. That's it. Okay. Those are, suppose there are 10 tables in OLTP, OLAP 5 tables will be there. Okay, in the same database, maybe a different database. It will be same database server or different database server. We will use the things. That's it. Okay. In real time, it will be there in the database server only. OLAP also in the database only. Okay, that is about this. Reporting tool means they will generate the reports. They will generate the business reports, profit report, monthly report, daily report, like that. You will get a bank statement, right? Every month you will get a bank statement. That is a report. That is your monthly report. That is your monthly report. That is a perfect example of a report. What is the use of report is? That is the use of report. What? My monthly statement you will get it. That is also a report, will be generated by reporting people. Okay. Internet is not required. To connect the database, internet is not required. Okay. So yes, we want to know only data warehousing. Okay. We need to go as a database, data Informatica developer or ETL developer. Okay. Yeah. Data visualization, data mining, not required. We don't use that. Whichever is useful, we'll clear. Okay. We will not use data mining. Okay. We will not use. Okay. Reporting tool means to generate the reports. In the ETL tool, we are just transforming the data from, suppose there are 10 records in here. Suppose what are the, in the source tables, I have 10 records here. I have, suppose 100 records are in this table, 100 records in this table. Okay. 100 records, 100 rows in this table. What we will do, all these 300 records will come here. Okay. All these 300 records will come. Maybe here it will go 200 records. It will go to 150 records based on the requirement. That's it. After these tables, they will generate the reports like our bank statements. They will generate the reports. Okay. That is about that. Okay. Yeah, we can load it. Anything from anywhere to anywhere, we can load. Okay. Without ETL developer, there is no reporting numbers. No. Without ETL developer, there is no ETL report. Without development, there is no reporting. Okay. Informatica supports taking source table from one server. You can load it. Yes, from any server to any server. It will any database to any database, any file to any table, any file to any table. Server means it will be there in one system. We'll access that server from anywhere. That's it. It sits in remote location. It will be a remote location. Okay. It's a data warehousing. It's a data warehousing. ETL comes under data warehousing. No, we don't need to learn MDM. We need to learn only Power Center. We need to learn only Power Center. Okay. Not required to learn MySQL. I will show you. Okay. You have to apply only Informatica developers. You cannot apply as a data stage developer. Okay. No, Excel is not an ETL tool. Okay. Excel is not an ETL tool. Yes, multiple data sources we can connect. We can connect multiple data sources by using Informatica. Okay. Any data source, Oracle data, Oracle table, or a SQL Server table, or a file, or anything you can connect with Informatica. You can connect with Informatica. Oracle SQL, how much we need, we'll see later. Now, what you need to do today? Number one, what you need to do today? There are 3 steps you need to do. Okay, there are 3 steps you need to do. What are those? We'll see now. Almost all people already registered from the website. My website, you people already registered. Okay, how you registered? So you went to rajinformatica.com. You went to rajinformatica.com. Okay, this is my website. I'm pinging you here the website. This is my website. First thing you need to do, sign up. Maybe you already signed up. Sign up and sign up with your Gmail ID which you given. First, what you need to do, log in with your Gmail. First, number one, open Chrome. I am writing the steps, follow the steps, same thing. Okay, follow the steps, same thing. Number one, what you need to do? Number one, open Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Number two, sign in with opengmail.com and sign in, log in with your Gmail ID. Log in with your Gmail ID. With your Gmail ID. Next, number three, open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com. What you need to do? Open rajinformatica.com. This is the website name. Open rajinformatica.com. 1 second, please. Yeah. Open rajinformatica.com. After that, click on sign up. If you did not do these steps, you do it. If you do it, then leave it. Okay. Then sign up with your Gmail ID which you given to me. With your Gmail ID given to me, you have to use that Gmail ID only. If you give any other one, you will not get the access. Okay, you will not get the access. So log in with the Gmail ID which you given to me only. Use only one Gmail ID which you given. Please click on sign up with the Gmail ID you given to me. You given to me. This is next. Next, after that, it will be signed. Once you sign up and are login, okay, it will log into your Gmail. You will log into your Gmail. Okay, you will log into your rajinformatica.com. Okay, just a second. So I logged into one user. Okay, I logged in. Now what you will do? Okay, logged in. Okay, in this website, the students is your okay, whatever you are seeing students, that is your student dashboard or enrolled courses, join live session, all these things will be there here. Dashboard, my profile, all things will be here. Okay. Now, next, download Zoom software. Zoom software into laptop. Download Zoom software into laptop and register an account in Zoom. Register, click on sign up on Zoom. Click on sign up on Zoom. Okay. And register your Gmail ID in Zoom with the same Gmail ID. Whatever the Gmail ID you given, click on sign up on Zoom and register an account in Zoom. Register an account with your Gmail ID in Zoom. Okay. In Zoom. Register and sign into Zoom and log into Zoom. Log into Zoom with the same Gmail ID you given to me. With the Gmail ID should be same for all the steps. If you don't use the Gmail ID, correct Gmail ID will not get the access. Okay. So first open Google Chrome, log in with your Gmail ID, which you given to me, which you given to me, please. Which you given to me. Okay. Then open rajinformatica.com, click on sign up and Gmail ID you given to me. Download Zoom software into the search for Zoom. You can search for Zoom, or in Google you can search Zoom software download. In Google you can search Zoom software download. Zoom software download. Okay. Zoom software download. You can download the Zoom and register an account in the Zoom and log in Zoom with the same email ID. This is what. Okay. This is what you need to do. Okay. Thanks for that. This is what you need to do. Okay. Next, after that, we will give today you will get the access for sure. Whatever I told, because we have more people, it is taking so much of time. So today you will get all the access. Okay. Today you will get all the access. Now, from Tuesday, the next class is on Wednesday. From Wednesday, I will not send a separate Zoom link in the group. I will not send a separate Zoom link in the group. You should log in from website only. You should log in from website only. Website only. You should log in from how to log in from Wednesday. So once you completed all the steps, now again, okay, what is this? These are the first steps. These are the things you need to do. First, you need to do these things. Okay. Next set. What you need to do the next set? Okay. To access, what is that? To access your course content or daily material, to access daily material. Okay. Video 1 to 9. As I told, 1 to 9 videos or 8 videos. I'll get videos 1 to 9. Okay. To access, to see, to watch 1 to 9 videos. Okay. To access your daily material, to watch 1 to 8 videos, and also to join live session, on daily basis. You need to do the follow steps. You need to what? Open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com and go to student section. Open rajinformatica.com and go to student section. Go to student section. What you need to do? Suppose you want to access the material. First, you want to access the material on daily basis. What to do? Okay, go to students enrolled courses. Once I give the access, if you are morning, you will get the morning access. If you are evening, you will get the evening access. Like this, 13th batch morning, 13th batch evening, you will get it. Open this. Okay. Once you open this, okay. Once you open this, you can see here. Okay, you can see here day 1, day 2, day 3. You are seeing, right? This is course instructions, Informatica installation. Then day 1, day 2, day 3. You are seeing now. Okay, you can click on this. Click on lesson 1. Once you click on lesson 1, okay, then a video will appear and also material. Scroll down, click here to download. Once you click here to download, a Google Drive link will open. You can take it from here. Okay, how to watch the videos or how to see your material? Go to students enrolled courses. Whatever the access you have, which course access you have. If you don't have access, please wait for some time. You will get the access for today for sure. Okay. So go to students enrolled courses, then select your course, morning batch or evening batch. Then scroll down here, Introduction to Informatica Day 1, Lesson 1. In Lesson 1, you can download the material also. Click on this left side, Lesson 2. You can watch the Lesson 2. Okay. Enrollment IDs also will get it. Please wait. Okay. That is how you need to do it. Okay. In 13th batch, it will not show. I'll resolve that. Don't worry. Now, how to join live sessions? How to join live session from Wednesday? From Wednesday, how to join? Okay, next session is on Wednesday. Okay, first 2 weeks will be alternative sessions because okay, so no, it is lifetime access. Whatever I am giving the access, it is a lifetime access. Okay, 1 second, please. Yeah. So now what you need to do, okay? So go to rajinformatica.com to join the live sessions. What to do? Go to rajinformatica.com to join the live sessions. Okay, tomorrow we don't have class. Okay, we have the class on Wednesday. So go to student section, join live session, and select your morning, evening or evening batch. Like this, you select. Okay, and here you will get meeting ID and password. Here it is showing this one, but here you will get meeting ID and password. Take that meeting ID and password and put it in your Zoom. Okay, so open rajinformatica.com, go to student section and go to join live session. Then go to join live session. There you will be having Zoom meeting ID, password, Zoom meeting ID and passcode. It will appear. Then open Zoom software in the laptop. Okay, and then give this meeting ID and passcode and then join on the live session. Okay, so whoever enrolled for the courses, I will give the sample data to practice. Okay, whoever enrolled for the courses with the Gmail ID. Only that Gmail ID will be having access. No other Gmail ID. You cannot log into Zoom. Maybe today you joined, whoever not registered also, that is fine. But on Wednesday onwards, the people, no, you cannot go through mobile. Okay, I'll send the steps to WhatsApp groups, practice WhatsApp groups also I'll give. All those things I'll give. It'll take some time, please wait. So help others who did not install Informatica. Okay, so help others, please. Okay, so this is what you need to do. I will send these steps to. I'll send these steps. Okay, I will send these. Download quota exceeded. You please ping me. I will give other link. You can download from there. Okay, you ping me separately in the WhatsApp. So now, okay, these are the steps you need to follow by Wednesday. I will not send any Zoom link on Wednesday. Daily, you can go through there and you can take it. That's it. Okay, and see, whoever are getting errors in Informatica homepage while you are installing Informatica, you are getting an error, right? So how to resolve that error? We'll see. How to resolve that error? See, please. If you are getting an error in Informatica, first go to settings. Search for settings. Open the settings. Okay. Or sorry. Start for services. Services. Open services. First, come to Oracle services. Scroll down. Come to Oracle services. Tomorrow, no class, please. Tomorrow, first 2 weeks, alternative classes. First 2 weeks, alternative classes. Why? Because we need to help the people need to understand better. So go through my first video. Everything I explained there. Everything I explained there, what and all what. Okay. So I will approve. Don't worry, please don't be hurry for approve. We have almost 550 people are there on morning and evening. It will take some time to approve, please. If it is till last batch, it was fast only, but this batch having more people, it will take more time. But you will get it for sure today only. For sure you will get it. Almost all we completed. Today few things are there. We'll finish it. You no need to worry, please. After logging, pending of approval, it will show correct. It will show I will approve. Don't worry, our system will approve. System will automatically approve. Please wait. Okay. Please wait for it. Okay. Now, open. If you are getting any error in Informatica, the basic thing you need to do is open services. Scroll down for Oracle services. There are 5 Oracle services total. One is Scheduler XC, MTR Recovery Service, Service XC, XLE CLR Agent, XLE Agent. First one is disabled, leave it, not required. Oracle Job Scheduler XC is not required. If it is, try one by one refresh. If it is anything is not running, if it is not anything running, start. If anything not running, start them. These 4 should be in running status. MTR Recovery Service, XLR, XC, CLR Agent, Listener. These 4 should be running status. Suppose one is not running, you started it. Right click on it, started it. Wait for 2 minutes. Waiting is important, please. Wait for 2 minutes. After waiting, go to Informatica services, scroll up, go to Informatica 10.2.0, refresh. And if it is not running, start it. Only Informatica 10.2.0 start and wait for 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes and try again. It will work. If it is still not working, we will help you. Don't worry. Okay. That is the process you need to follow for today. From Wednesday, see, network should be fast. You should have a good internet connection. Okay, to download the software. Somehow you need to manage with a good, wherever Wi-Fi is there, go there and download. That is better. Okay, that is better. Okay, server, the installation cannot be reached. This is a problem. Okay, this is a problem. So start Oracle services first, wait for 2 minutes, then start Informatica services, then again wait for 2 minutes and then try. It will work. It will work. If it is not working, share the screenshot in the group. Okay. Don't chat unnecessary things in chat, please, in the group. That group is for learning purpose. That group is for learning purpose. So make use of it. You have more people, make friends and make use of it. This is about today's session. Okay. I hope everybody, today for day-to-day practice, not required. Day-to-day practice, if you don't have, if you want to join, a group is created. Whoever not added in the morning group or evening group, I have created 2 groups. No Telegram group. Leave over to Telegram, please. I don't require Telegram. It is not working properly. Now we are not going through Telegram group. We are going to morning and evening batch. Okay, morning WhatsApp group. Morning WhatsApp group. Okay, evening WhatsApp group. Evening, yes. From next time onwards, sharp 9:20 only I will start. But 9:30, 9:20 I will start the Zoom. 9:30 I will start the lesson. Okay, 9:30 I will start the lesson. Morning WhatsApp group is there. Evening WhatsApp group is there. Morning people will be there in the morning WhatsApp group. Evening people will be there in the evening WhatsApp group. Suppose if your evening WhatsApp group, if you did not added it, okay, then you please ping me separately. I will add you. Okay, morning WhatsApp group, evening WhatsApp group, and also whoever are not paid today, whoever are promised to pay today, okay, I will share. Please wait. Whoever remaining fee, whoever promised to pay, okay, please pay today itself to get the access. Okay, to pay. Okay, so no discussions in the group for the payment, please. No discussions, please. Okay, we know what. Okay, so whoever not paid, please pay today to get the access. Whoever promised by 19th or 20, okay, by 19th or 21st, you promised us to pay, right? For them, please pay remaining and you will get the access for sure. So morning WhatsApp group, evening WhatsApp group is created. It is created. If you are not added, if you are in morning batch, if you are not added in morning batch, please pick me. Evening batch people will be evening batch group only. Morning batch people will be in morning batch group only. Okay. If you don't get added, please ping me. I will get added to morning batch and evening batch, whichever is okay. Okay. I am not using Telegram group. I am not using Telegram group. Come out of it. Not required. If you want to stay, stay. But I am not using Telegram. Is not working as expected. It's waste of time. Okay, we tried it. It's waste of time. You can watch the 1 to 8 videos from today. You can watch. Okay, so whoever to get the access, if you are not paid, please pay as soon as possible. Okay, so whoever promised by today. Okay, so I hope you people, everyone understood about my training, guys. How is my training? Is it able to understand to you? Are you able to understand, guys? Yes. Okay. I will in the next session. Yeah. Yes. These are the client tools will be working. Yes. Power Center Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager will be used on the daily basis. Okay. Okay. From Wednesday onwards, at least by Wednesday, you install your Informatica. Install Informatica. Okay. No, only. Okay. Only weekdays. Informatica software company. If you are working on Informatica, it will be only 5 days a week and 8 hours. Maybe they may extend. I don't know. You need to extend maybe, but weekly 5 days. Weekend is holiday. Okay, sure. I'll go slow. Weekend is holiday. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Okay. You no need to create it. Okay. I will able to allow. I will. Okay. So for how to practice them, first 2 no need to practice. We will get access today. We will get access today. Okay. Tomorrow there is no session. Next session is on Wednesday. First 2 weeks. Okay. Resume and experience discussion, resume discussion, there will be classes. Okay. To practice, not required any speed internet connection. Okay. ETL development is different. ETL testing is different. Okay. Interview questions I will provide. Okay. In case, can we join evening class also? You please ping me later. Try to join only one class and ask the doubts here only. There is a connection between Informatica and Unix. I will tell. Okay. Daily data we need to do. Okay. Unable to connect to REP SVC. Follow my steps. Start the services and follow. Okay. That is fine. Whatever you are 918, you will get the website access today. In the website, you can watch 1 to 8 videos. Go to enrolled courses, students enrolled courses. Okay, here you can watch 1 to 8 classes. Okay, go to enrolled courses. Okay, your 13th batch morning. Okay, and here click on 1 by 1 day 2. Here you will watch the video. You cannot download the video, but you can watch the video 1 to 8. You can watch. Today you will get it. Okay, you whatever the okay. Yeah, rows also called tuples. Yes. Okay. I will tell all those things. I'll tell. Now from Wednesday, pure practical sessions. There is no theory sessions at all. From Wednesday. Okay. From Wednesday. Yeah. Yes, Accenture people will go through it. Yes. Developers will go through it. Yeah. There are many openings in Informatica. No need to worry. there are many. Okay. So I will make the practice groups. Maybe today I will create the practice groups also. Okay. Yeah. No recession, nothing, please. Don't worry. No recession, nothing. No recession, please. Okay. Fine, guys. You text me if you have any other doubts. If you have any other doubts, okay, please text me. Yeah. We'll see you on. Okay. We'll see you. We'll see you on when Power BI knowledge. Yes, it is an added advantage to you when you learn Informatica. If you know, okay. We will get assignment from Wednesday. We will get the assignments. Whatever I do in the class, you should do it. Okay. From Wednesday, we'll get it. I will tell how to job search. Everything I will tell. I'll give the resume. I'll tell how to job search. Everything I will tell. You don't need to worry. Okay. Yes. W also plus. Yes. Okay. Yes. See, if the offices are open, then it will be good for you. At least people will help you. At least people will help you. Today, nothing is there to practice. Today, nothing is there to practice. It will take some time. Just wait 2-3 days. Don't be hurry. Okay. We'll go slow first. Once you understand everything, then we'll go fast. Instead of going fast and coming back. Okay. For practicing, not required any internet. Not required. Not required. Okay. So if the offices are open, it will be good. It will be good. Okay. So because you will get help from your team members. If you are at home, nothing will happen. Okay, nothing will come. Okay. Yes, in upcoming days also we'll get jobs. We will get jobs. Okay, fine. I will tell everything later. Okay. So whatever it is, you please text me. Whatever it is, whatever the question, you please text me. Okay. I will send the 2 days PPT some notes. Don't worry. Okay. Meeting ID passcode, you will get it from here. You will get it on for Wednesday. Meeting ID password. You go to students, join live session, and 13th batch morning. Here you will get user ID password. There you will get it. From there you need to take. Okay. Yes, you will get the access. Don't worry. If it is not purchased course also, I will give the access manually. Don't worry, please. Okay. So now I am ending the session. So if you have any questions, please. Okay. So, okay. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Give me a second, guys. I told about the recordings in previous session. Go to that. If you are having installation problem, let me know. Okay, we'll help you. Don't worry. We have till Wednesday. So till Wednesday, you need to install Informatica and Oracle. Okay. So that's the thing. Okay. You will get it. You will get it. You will get it. Please wait. Everybody will get everything. Okay. Please wait. No need to practice anything today. Okay. No need to practice anything today. See you on Wednesday, guys. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining my training. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys. Bye. Okay. Bye, guys. Yeah.